Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy and sell on Tradovate. The first thing I want you to do is log in to your Tradovate account, and then I want you to just come at the top left. I want you to click on search, and we'll go ahead and select an instrument. There's a lot of instruments right here. Let's say you want to go with gold. You can go ahead and type it in, or if you remember the ticker, you can use that. I'll come here, click on this one. Now, what I need you to do now is go ahead and click here, either buy or sell. So we have these options right here. As you can see, these are all the different informations available. You can just click on trade here if you want more options. So let's say I want to buy gold right here at this price, one quantity. You can go ahead and adjust this as well. Then you click here on send. If you want to sell, you come here, click on sell, and then you just go ahead and choose your quantity you're selling, your order type, whether it's a market order, limit order, stop limit, trailing stop limit, any of that. Click here on send. So I'll go ahead and buy one right here. Click on send, buy one at market, click on buy. And as you can see, we have gotten the order, and then it will just come here at the bottom right. It's really that easy, and that is how to buy and sell on Tradovate. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to Guides Archive.